First, we have the Bagsmart Packing Cube, okay? And so, what I essentially like about this one is that you do have the open mesh material up front, which allows your clothes to breathe. It includes a handle, and if I'm not mistaken, the compression aspect, it does work. It does add some layers to it if you need to expand this. And so this is basically a good standard as far as packing cubes go, okay? It's able to compress, it's able to expand. You've got the mesh material up front. I do find that these cards that you see here are a bit gimmicky. Like, I don't think you actually need them just because you can see what's inside. But if you're into more organization, of course, you could actually go ahead and write what this bag is for and place that card here. Now, aside from that though, I'd say that this is like the standard as far as packing cubes go. Bagsmart is one of the most popular. So if you do get this, you can't go wrong with it.